this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. If you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a YouTuber and blogger. I usually create and post content about makeup tutorials, beauty product reviews, digital tools and productivity tips. If you're watching me in this video for the first time and you would like to see more of my videos, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it also, just so that you'll be updated whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. In today's video, I bring this very summery makeup vibe that incorporates the Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. And I've made use of this palette once again besides my first impression. If you like to watch my first impressions on the Urban Decay's Born to Run eyeshadow palette, I'll link a card right down here. All you have to do is just click on the eye and it will bring you straight to the video. And I have once again utilized this eyeshadow palette to create this look. I've already prepped and primed my face. I have foundation on and concealers and powders and all of that stuff. I'll be bringing you straight to the eye and we'll be finishing off with the lips. If you'd like to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. The first step is to take an eyelid primer of your choice and prep the eyelid for some eyeshadow application and set the primer down with some powder. Next up is a transition shade. I'm taking this neutral, no shimmer, just simply matte eyeshadow shade just for an overall wash of color, just so that when the brighter, bolder colors go on top, they are nicely blending away and there are no tugging and pulling. I'm just taking a peachy, orangey kind of shade and want to build a little bit of crease definition with this shade. I'm keeping the color just above my crease. Then I'm going in with this really deep burgundy type of red matte shade. I wouldn't say matte, it's a little bit on the barrier side. And I'm keeping the color even more tighter before I move in with this really vibrant orangey shade that's from the Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. And for a lot more definition, like a spot highlight, I'm taking a very shimmery beige color and just dabbing it lightly onto the middles. For my inner corner highlight, I'm using the same shade with a very tiny pencil brush. And I'm taking this frosty white off beige color for my brow bone highlight. I want to keep this eye look quite soft and bold, so I'm using a black kohl kajal to line my waterline. And I'm going in with this deep brown shade and I'm going to be just smoking out the lower lash line. Then I'm going to be moving in with my liquid eyeliner and I'm going to be drawing a medium thickness of an eyeliner. Moving on, I'm going to be coating my eyelashes with a few coats of mascara. I want the emphasis to remain on the eyes, so I'm going to be taking a very mauvey brownie kind of a lip pencil and lining the natural lip line, and I'm going to be going on top of the same nudie mauve color with a tad shade darker, and that's my kid in the background. And I'm taking a little bit of Gerard Cosmetics, I believe this is the shade Buttercup, just into the middles of the lip. And I'm going to be using this NYX Lip Topper, which is an amazing shade. It gives so much of gloss and shine. I absolutely love this look. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this eye makeup look paired with this really nice glossy lip. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this with your family and friends, and share this on WhatsApp and share it on your Facebook page. All the links will be down in the info bar below. And I shall catch you in my next video. Bye, guys!